My name is Avinash Joshi. I am AGM Marketing ITL Industries Ltd. Indore. Welcome to Farming Now. ITL Industry has recently developed a product CFC50. It is used for cutting and chamfering of pipe and solid bar. It is also having a facility of drilling, central drilling. The machine is capable to cut from 10 mm to 50 mm, and also a bigger size machine is available. ITL industry is 41-year-old. We have introduced a bandsaw machine in India. Apart from bandsaw machines, we have circular saw machines also for cutting solid as well as pipe. Also, we have developed a machine for cutting structured steels. The machine is used in entire forming, forging, casting and all industrial products.